Today, I get to give my girlfriend her car. I promised her for her birthday I would wrap her car, and a couple weeks ago I started working late nights, coming in early in the mornings to get it done, been absolutely working my ass off. And today everything finally came together, got it all back together, and now I get to go out and give it to her. And it's gonna be the greatest feeling ever. I obviously worked so hard for this, and I'm just so excited. I can't hold it in right now.
Oh my God. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh, new license plate plate. Sick. Oh my God.
You like it?
Freaking sick now.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it. I love it.